So I have a question about my sister-in-law. She and I don't really get along because she's very competitive and she's always trying to outdo me. Recently, I took some time out from work in my family business, and during that time, she kind of weaseled her way into the business. And I don't think it's fair because she's clearly not qualified, she has no work experience, and I really don't know what to do. Like, how do I talk some sense into my family and get her demoted?
The woman here can't get along with her sister-in-law. They're competing all the time. Recently, she took a break from the family business and her sister-in-law came in, filled the void, and now she's working in the family business in a position that she says the sister-in-law is not qualified for. So now she's trying to figure out how to get her demoted. Take a second to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Click that notification bell for all updates. And if you are new, include new subscriber in your comment below, and I'm going to try my best to respond to all of you. Not going to waste any time. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
She's your sister-in-law. She's your brother's wife?
Yeah, they've been married for 20 years.
Well, do you want to know how she got the job?
Well, she has the grandkids, so she's got, those are her ace cards, so.
No, that's not it. It's because she's sleeping with your brother.
And then she's not just sleeping with your brother, she's been married to your brother for 20 years. She said the sister-in-law has the grandkids, so I'm assuming that she doesn't have any kids. And her parents, they pour a lot into her brother's kids. You know, that's what grandparents do. And because of that, she believes her sister-in-law has an upper hand on her when it comes to her parents, her brother, and the family. You know, ma'am, you're focusing way too much on this lady. I understand you may not like her. Everybody is not gonna like everybody. But she's a part of the family. She's been married to your brother for 2 decades. They have kids. And one day your family will rely on those kids to keep the business going for the 3rd generation. I don't know. I think she's focusing way too much on this woman, and she should really be focusing on her own family.
It's his wife. How he not gonna give his wife a job at the company? It's a family business. Okay, let me ask you this. And is it your dad's company?
Yes, it's my dad's.
And your
So
dad?
that makes things a little different.
Yeah, and your brother is your dad's son.
That's right, yeah.
And she gotta work there. Now I know you went off to college and got your degree and everything, and congratulations.
Thank you. And I worked hard too. I've been in the business for 7 years.
And I'm sure you do. I'm so sure you do.
Kudos to the sister for going to college. You just have to understand that the college degree doesn't automatically qualify you either. It's a bunch of people out there with degrees in positions they have no business in. They can read and regurgitate the information but can't apply it. So degree holders still have to be evaluated to see if they're a good fit for the role. And this right here is a part of the competition they have going on. She's thinking that the sister-in-law is less valuable, possibly for the lack of education, and she sees it as if all she did was marry her brother and have kids. She's missing that the role of wife and mother is just as important as her role of daughter and sister, because her sister-in-law is assisting her brother in extending your father's legacy through their kids.
Yeah? So what have we learned here? Don't go to school, marry somebody rich.
Can I just say?
All you gotta do is find somebody daddy got a business and start sleeping with him. No.
Can I just say, I read a couple of your books and I really value your advice, so I'll probably follow.
No, I don't want you to do that, just a joke. No, I want you to value my advice. Just keep doing what you're doing, but just don't worry about this.
Yeah.
I posted something on Instagram the other day, and I think I said something to the effect of, trying to think of what I said. You know how your mind just go blank? really fit what you were saying too. Just won't come to me. People all over trying to find it on my Instagram right now. You got it? Let me see it. You got it up? I'll find it right quick. All right, let me show you what I was trying to find. It's on my Instagram. Oh, here it is, right here. I'm too busy working on my own grass to notice if yours is greener.
That's really good. That's really good. That's good.
Somebody zoom in right here. Get a shot of that. That's on my Instagram. I'm too busy working on my own grass to notice if yours is greener. I really ain't got time.
You see, the real problem here is that she realized that she spent so many years on school and work and everything versus her sister-in-law, who obviously made getting married to her brother a priority. If you had your own man and your own family, you wouldn't even have time or energy to invest in this. Did you ever figure that there's people in the company that believe that the only reason why you're there and you have the position that you have is because you're the owner's daughter? You know, people could think that about you too. Unless your sister-in-law is doing something detrimental to the business or you see something way out of line, you gotta fall back. This woman, she's been in your family for over 20 years. So here's what you do. You gotta go find you some business and mind it. Find your husband, work on your own family, and stop having this competition with your sister-in-law. This is a losing battle. Have a powwow with her, figure out if you could mend the relationship for the sake of your parents, your brother, your nieces and nephews. And just for your own peace of mind, because eventually you're going back to work. You have to see her, so why go to work every day mad over something you have little to no control over? It's just bad for business, bad for the morale of the rest of the employees. So let that rivalry go. Let's go ahead and get the conversation started. Is the sister wrong for trying to get her sister-in-law demoted, or do you think the concerns are valid? Special thank you to our brother Dark Power for your support for this channel. Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel too. Links to Cash App and PayPal are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.
She's your sister-in-law, she's your brother's wife?
Yeah, they've been married for 20 years.
Well, do you want to know how she got the job?
Well, she has the grandkids, so she's got, those are her ace cards. So
No, that's not it. It's because she's sleeping with your brother. It's his wife. How he not gonna give his wife a job at the company? It's a family business.